In this video, we will be checking the price movement of Ayala Land Incorporated or Ali. So we'll make it big. Okay. So if you can see from this price movement here up to today, the trend is bearish, although it is on a short term. We are looking at short term because this is on a daily chart. But if you look at the Ichimoku system, lagging line is below the price movement, and most probably this will not yet uh, go back above the price movement. Conversion, baseline and conversion line are still in the position wherein it is bearish. And lastly, the price, the current price is below the cloud, which suggests that it is bearish. Again, this is on a short term because we are looking at daily chart. Now, what I think the price will happen, the price movement will happen is the bulls will try to push this up because the RSI is low. It is low at 34.43. That's still considered low. But this price here will be its immediate resistance at around 33.55. So I think the price movement will move sideways within this range. If we will put a Fibonacci indicator, no, not indicator, different. Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so oops. We will look at this one. I think the price will play within this 33.5 and around 32.25. This part also, if you can see at this line here, or at this price movement here, this was like last July, this was a resistance. Now, this will act as a support, price support for this stock. So if you have Ali, you might and you are thinking of adding more, you might as well hold it for now, meaning don't add for more because the price could either go up or down depending on where it breaks from this resistance or from this support. Okay, so thank you for watching my analysis, and see you tomorrow.